Alright, so this is a Toyota T100 door handle, and this particular truck has 360,000 miles on it, so I'm sure this is a second door handle, but if it's the first, it's lasted a long time. This is a 95, and what happens with these is this lever, let's see here, so this piece right here kind of acts as a lever, and it pushes down on this piece, and when it's in the truck there's a rod connecting this white end of the lever to your latch, opening it up. So you pull the handle, and this lever right here goes down, pushing this down, opening your latch. And what happens is this breaks off. This one did break off, so you can see kind of a seam on there, and this is plastic coated with like this metallic paint kind of thing, or like wrap. So what I did is I used MEK, super volatile stuff. You don't need this, but this actually melts the plastic back together. So you put just a little, I put a little bit on where this broke, and held it together for a little bit, and that gave it a pretty good bond, but I don't want to tear this thing off in like a year, so I reinforced it a little bit with this steel wire, super strong steel wire, and then just epoxied that down. So hopefully that keeps it going for a little longer, but I'll kind of show you how it works. So when you pull on the latch, this goes down. So I'm manually doing it right now, so you can just see this is still curing at the moment, but yeah, that part you see right here going up and down is reinforced now, and should last 360,000 more miles. Getting this thing out, you have to take like the door panel off, and disconnect the rods, and you do have to take off the key mechanism. So there's a screw here, take off first, screw over here you take off, they're 9mm, and then lastly you can loosen this, careful not to drop it, and you might be able to get away with just loosening it. I took it all the way off, and then you can pull it right out the door. So that's that.